The Jaguar I-Pace 2022 is just another luxury vehicle that has undergone a simplification and received a discount. In August 2020, mentions how the latest data shows that 2019 was a good year for used car sales. In particular, non-luxury used vehicles experienced a significant surge in popularity that year. The possible reason for this increase in sales of non-luxury used vehicles is most likely because many luxury vehicles have poor resale value. But it's not just luxury cars with regular fuel engines that have come down in price. Advancements in electric vehicle, EV, technology have also helped change the future of the luxury car market. Jaguar simplifies its lineup with the cheaper I-Pace 2022. A recent Motor Trend review stated, in keeping with Jaguar's recent efforts to simplify its lineup, the I-Pace will be sold only in the top-spec HSE trim for 2022. As such, prices for the HSE have dropped, before dropping to current prices for the 2022 model year. Limiting the 2022 I-Pace to the HSE trim level also means the model comes standard with items like a power-operated tailgate, premium LED headlights, leather seats, and more. To spend on any extras you feel are necessary to make the 2022 Jaguar I-Pace special. For example, you can choose the Caldera red or cesium blue color options instead of the standard Fuji white. With what's left, you can even buy suede with light oyster or ebony as the main material with additions. As Motor Trend states, the somewhat affordable I-Pace 2022 does offer some standard stuff. It comes standard with premium LED headlamps with LED daytime running lights, DRLs, for the exterior. Ebony Windsor, light oyster Windsor or sienna tan Windsor leather sports seats with matching interior seats all come standard at no extra cost. Other perks include a power-operated tailgate, leather steering wheel with heated rims, and free Jaguar Elite Care. The HSE trim aims to please with an array of added standard luxuries such as a heads-up display, powerful premium audio system, 20-inch wheels and 16-way powered front seats. Additionally, active safety features include lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. However, as has been pointed out time and time again, the upcoming Kia EV6 will likely beat Jaguar in terms of safety standards. Similar to the Tesla model, the I-Pace 2022 comes standard with all-wheel drive, AWD. This is achieved thanks to its two electric motors, one at the front and one at the rear, which allow it to produce a combined 394 horsepower and 512 pound-feet of torque. With such horsepower, one would be able to pass through intersections in the city with ease and leave almost everyone in the dust when joining the highway. This Jaguar EV has an extra dose of stability and agility thanks to its hefty battery pack that sits under the floorboards. This means it has a lower center of gravity than combustion engine models. Don't worry too much about ride quality, though, as Jaguar equips the 2022 I-Pace with air suspension, a feature that comes standard across all trims. Other than that, the steering feedback is said to be on par with what drivers would expect nowadays, especially from a vehicle. However, some reviewers have complained that they experience uneven braking at times. According to government estimates, I-Pace 2022 should get 80 mpg in the city and 72 mpg on the highway. When comparing it to other EV models, not counting the price difference, the 2021 Jaguar I-Pace seems decent enough even though it's likely not an entry-level luxury EV. The EV market is still growing and changing every day, so take it easy and do your research before locking eyes on one luxury electric SUV.